objectives of your life goal is to do a cute face? I mean, you could do the little like, like, isn't this supposed to be like a heart? It's supposed to be like a heart shape. You go like this, and it makes like a heart shape with your fingers. Maybe if I do it over here, over there, heart. I don't know, heart shape, heart shape with the fingers like that. I don't know. That's why God invented. Who do I live with? Duder. I live with Duder, and the cats. That's why God invented plastic surgery. Kim Hang, can I take my glasses off? Yes, I do have the power, but I also like to see, so I'm not going to. LASIK was the best money you ever spent. You know, I like wearing glasses, and I think they look good, and I'm not quite old enough to get LASIK. Actually, I think technically this year I would be old enough to get LASIK, but um, so I come with Soy Boy. Divilli, you're one to talk about soy boys. Jeez. Don't want laser shine your eyes. Yeah, I don't know. I've heard people will have like not so great experiences with LASIK and having things go wrong a bunch of times. because other than edamame, who just like chomps on soybeans? Mustache Gundam, what is this? Hey, welcome back. We cooked dinner. Or do we call them tofu boys to differentiate? Well, you can process soybeans to make soy milk. This is true. You gotta blink till it says right. Yeah, exactly, Vagmon. Yeah, because like you'll put it in and it'll be like all upside down, and you'll be like, okay, and you have to sit there and wait until it shifts into the right spot. But you can definitely have contacts that fix astigmatisms. They just aren't as good at it as glasses are, because part of it, the other thing that helps is the focal distance. So when you're using glasses, you have extra space between where the light is being focused in the glass itself and your eye. With contact lenses, the space is so small, it's really hard to get the right refraction correction into your eyeball. So glasses just you get clearer vision overall. A material world. Ask him about the brand of soy milk? What? Those cool all-white ones are for stigmatisms? You have astigmatism in your left eye. Sam, hello, welcome. And I have an astigmatism in both eyes. I think the right eye is worse. It's not that bad of an astigmatism. Is my country in lockdown? Yes, I am in California in the U.S. We are definitely on lockdown. But I am a material girl. But yeah, we've been in California. We've been on lockdown for almost 2 weeks now. Did I ever meet up with what's his name? Are you talking about Brian? Just Brian? No, because no. Zero interest in that. I don't know why.